All right, this is gonna be a salt rock finish. So here's the salt rock. That's what it looks like. And this concrete's already been finished, so it's been setting for a little while, but it's still wet.
Just hit her one more time. That salt on there, or you have to hose it down after?
You can leave it, or you can hose it down tomorrow, or just brush it tomorrow.
Yeah.
Or leave it.
I usually wash it off.
Yeah.
But sweep it, like scrub it with a broom and wash it. But like it says, like if you can leave it, leave it. But
it's just gonna dissolve anyways eventually, huh?
Yep.
It'll just dissolve in salt.
I always come back and make it look nice for you.
Yep.
So that's it. You just put it on there, smash it in, and then just leave it. And then like tomorrow, you can wash it off with the hose and scrub it with a broom. But that's the salt rock finish. And in the end, it should match like this existing concrete here that had the same salt rock finish. See that texture? The ground is a little dirty, but you can definitely, it was definitely a salt rock finish and not a broom finish. Okay, so this is 2 days later. I've come back, and you can see it is pretty much dried up on the salt rock here. What I'm gonna do is just sweep it off of here and clean this up. I don't think we'll need to really wash it down or anything. I think just breaking this loose and sweeping it up and it'll look great. the existing, and that's what it looks like now.